Okay, now network is good. Okay, dear all students, now you have to open TASM. See, here, different. So all of you, my screen is visible, right? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, this is the TASM software, a TASM software icon on the desktop. So please, all of you go and double click on this. Uh, at the last class, at where we have to stop, I will again from the beginning. I will explain you. Some students may absent on the last day. So today again I will start with beginning. Okay. So this is the command window is opening. After you have to double clicking on the TASM icon. So here you have to use the first command. So four commands I given you for the TASM. What's the first command? The first command is editable command. That is edit name of the file dot asm. So here I'll give you the first command, edit. Next is name of the file. On that day I given one name, that is add triple D I given name of the file dot asm. Okay, so take this first command, edit. Next name of the file I given a name add dot asm. So after press the enter. This editable command is opening. That editable window is opening. So in that window, already at the last day, we typed this program, right? So if anyone is not typed, take this program. So in the program, I have to use the two segment. One is data segment. This portion is data segment. So data segment starts from here. In that, I have to declare three variables. So means three register, A register, B register, and one more for the result. Sum I have to take. So in the A register, I have to use the data word with a one of the value 1191H, and in the B register I have to use one more value, that is 2272 number. So these two number we are going to be add. These two number we are going to be add. This is the main program concept. Today's what is the main aim of the program? We have to add these two values. That's what I have to put add add to the name of the file. So whatever you are going to be add these two value and stored it into a sum register. To store it into a one more variable, that is a sum. So this is the data segment. This is the data segment. After that, next you will go to the code segment. In the code segment, so cs is the thing but code segment. That's what at the first line we have to declare cs in the sense code and des in the sense data. These are the data part and this is the code part, code segment and the data segment. So in the code segment always you have to start with the word start. This start is nothing but it is like a main function in the C programming. How you are going to be use main function in C and C++, right? Same way you here we have to use the function start. This is the start. It means that your program code is starts from this point. How the main function you are using in the C programming and C++, it means that the program is starting point is from the main function. So like that in the microprocessor, start is the starting point. That is the from this point the program is going to be start execution. The first controller is going to be start from this position. So here move AX, there is a one register 16-bit register AX with a sum of the data or any kind of value I have to use it. So this data I am going to be transferred it into AX register. The meaning is whatever the data or the value. So like this data is 1191H and 2272H. Like this data I am going to be transferred to a register by the help of move instruction. This is the meaning. And the second one, so this data or the information is stored in the AX register. So from this AX register again, so again I have to use this AX register to the DS. DS in the sense what? Data segment. So from this data segment, we have to use the AX register value. DS in the sense what? Data segment. So that data segment is to the AX register to data segments. After that, what we will do? I have to use one AX register. Again, whatever I have to use the AX register at the beginning, that AX register, I have to allocate the memory. So memory location, that memory location address is 4C00. I have to use it. So any number of memory location you have to use, it is not a matter. As per the computer memory, it is taking the value. So 4C00, I have to use it. So otherwise, sometimes you have to use 4,000, 2,000, 3,000, any number of memory locations you have to use it. It is eligible. It will take it. Okay. As per my convenience, I have to take 4C00 hexadecimal address memory location. I have to use it. So after that, what I will do, I have to use again AX register. So this A value already I declared with the data word. What is the A value? 1191H. That A value already in the A 1191H hexadecimal number is there. So that hexadecimal number I am going to transfer it into AX register. That AX register is containing a memory location of 4C00 hexadecimal address location. In that address location, this A register containing the value 1191H is going to be stored in this memory address. That is the meaning. Okay. So next one, same way, I have to transfer B value also 2272 hexadecimal value to the B register to BX. In the BX register, I have to store. In the A register, I have to store A value, which is nothing but 1191H, and in the B register I have to store the value of B, that is 2272H, 2272H to the B register. After, so once AX is containing this value 1191H and BX is containing this value 2272H, so after that I am going to add AX and BX. So for that, I have to use the one instruction add. So you will learn this add instruction in the unit number third only. So after one or two lecture, it will comes all the arithmetic instructions. So add is there, sub for the subtraction, sub is comes for the addition, add is comes for the multiplication, mul is comes for the division, div is comes. So here this is the one of the arithmetic instruction add. So use the add instruction, and what are you are going to be add with the ax and bx. Ax is already with the a value. A value is 1191H, and bx is with the b value. That b value is 2272H. So add ax and bx, and finally that result is stored in the ax register. Result is stored in the AX register. That is, you transferred it into some variable. This sum variable is already you have declared at this data segment part. So at the data segment part already declared in the here. So that result is going to be stored in the sum variable. So finally int 3 integer. This int value 3 I have to use it. Either you have to use int 3 or int 21. There is a one specific purpose we are using. After completion of this third unit, I'll explain you why we are using 3 and 21. So for the normal addition, you are going to be use int 3, and this is the entire program. That concept logic is to addition of these two number. So here add ax and bx. After that, ax and bx, it is stored in the ax register. So from that ax register to again you transport it into some variable. So that is the sum you are going to be printing on the output screen. So here, after this, that code segment, whatever code segment is comes, that code segment is going to be ends it, and again that start. Just a second. Okay, and again that start is there. You are going to be end the start. From this, it is a begin. And from that, you have to end the start. So code segment ends, start ends, and data segment here data, and also you have to end it here. So in this way, you are going to be write the program. Am I clear? So if you are not clear, also no problem, because it is a first program in the whatever you. If this is your learning stage, right? So after one or two programs, you may get fitted. This is the one basic, just for addition of two numbers. This is the one program for addition of two numbers, or you say addition of two hexadecimal number, because I'm using here H in the sense what? Hexadecimal number. Okay. So addition of two hexadecimal number, this one. So now what you will do? You go and okay. Now you have to go to this, save this program. After writing this, save this program. The name of the program is add.asm. After that, you go and exit. This is the first command is over. You go and exit. You will get it and come to the second command. So what is second command? Please, can you tell me anyone?
tasm add.asm.
Okay. Next one is going to be tasm file. You are going to be add tasm space file name add. My file name is add.asm. This is the next command to go for the objective file. Okay. So here next you have to use second command is a tasm add.asm. So here it is showing errors is 0 and warning message is 0. If errors is no errors and no warning message, it means that our program is correct. It means that our program is correct. Once you have to getting this 0 error and 0 warning message, next you will go to third command. What is third command? The third command is
tlink add.obj.
okay, very good. T-link. You are going to be give the link, objective link to the TASM. This is the command. T-link space name of the file dot objective file, it is obj. Third command is you are going to be link with the objectives of TASM. The meaning is that you are going to be link the objectives of TASM to the TASM software. So press enter. So in that again it gives that warning on no stack. If you have to getting no stack message, then that objective is going to be connected or linked with the TASM software. So this is the third command. And that last command is what? It is executable command. Fourth command. What is fourth command? That is, please tell me anyone.
add.exe.
Very good. That is executable command. How you are going to be use the executable command? That is td space file name dot executable file exe executable file. After using this fourth command, that output window is opening. That output window is opening. So can I press enter? Once I press enter, the output screen is opening. So in that output screen, this is the output screen after the fourth command. Here the program has no symbol table. means we don't use any tables in the program. So just we have to press OK. Just you have to press OK. So dear all students, please observe here. Please observe here. We have to use, what are the registers we have to use? Many registers we have to use it in the program. AX register we have to use it at the initially 000. BX register we have to use it at initially. See, in the program, these all are used in your architecture of 8086. You just recall architecture of 8086 in the unit number 2. All these parameters you have to use it. AX you use it, BX you use it, CX you use it, DX you use it, SI, that is source index, A, B, C, D. These are the 16-bit registers. SI in the sense what? Source index. DI is destination index. Initially it is 00. BP is base pointer. SP is stack pointer. All these are 0 at the initial stage. After that, data segment, it is started with the some value, uh, data segment and extra segment, stack segment, code segment, data segment, because that memory is already allocated to the different segmentation parts of the segmentation. So it means that the DS is having these two same locations, DS and ES, and the SS and CS is also having a C and E. 2 bits is consuming C and E, and the instruction pointer. Instruction pointer means what? It is a offset value. So this offset value is at the initially 00. Please, you have to understand very clear to this one, very clear to this one, and this is your program. This is your program is going to be started. So here what you will do, go and click on this view and CPU. This is view and CPU. So now after this, instead of going to run suddenly, so run in the sense what? In a single shot, you have to execute the program before going to execute in a single shot. So step by step, you are going to be execute. How we are going to be step by step. So each time we have to press F7. Each and every time we have to press F7, and how the data is moving and what is the changes of observation in the register AX and in the register BX. Please you carefully observe here. One, I will show you this demo for the addition of these two numbers. So now I will press F7. F7 is for what? Step by step execution. If I have to press the F7, so can I press F7 now? Okay. So if I press the F7, what it will have here? So at the initially move X, so 48 AD. This 48 AD is computer is added automatically. That is the memory location, address memory location of AX register. So all of you please carefully observe. At the previous it was 000. At the previous it was 00. Now it is what? It is taking a one of the memory location 48 AD. That is the data. In the first instructions in your program, you check it. I am taking move AX comma data. That one data value is comes here. So next I am going to transfer this data to the destination segment, data segment. AX to data segments I have to transfer next time. So again I have to press F7. After I am pressing the F7, please you observe that what is AX and BX is going to be changed. So now I will press F7. Please observe F7. Okay. So what it will happening after F7? No changes the value because I have computer is added this memory location 48 AD. But in the program I have to given 4C00. You check it in the program. So again I have to press the F7. F7. So here what it will happen? Go and check this AX register. Instead of 48 A and D, it is going to be changed whatever I have to use it my memory location. AX, that is 4C00. It is going to be changed, right? So next, what is this going to be changed at the initial data is allocated to 0. So next, I am again press the F7. Next step. what it will happen? In the AX register, first value is go and stored in this 1191H hexadecimal value is stored in the AX register from my program. All of you check it in the program. Move AX, that I have to use the register where is A. A is containing 1191 in the program. Please go and check it. So now the first value, A value, is stored it into the AX register. After that, again, I will press one more time F7. See, now you have to check with the BX register. The BX register comes to the 2272. This is the second value. B value, this BX value, that B register value is going to be transported into the AX register. That BX register, okay. So B is AX is 1191 first value, BX is 2272. Okay, BX is 2272. So next, what is our step? After AX value, we have to getting first value. BX register, we have to getting second value. Next, we will go to add AX and BX. AX and BX. What is this instruction? Add AX and BX, and after adding, you have to store it in the AX register. After adding these two value AX and BX, that result is stored in the AX register. Result is stored in the AX register. So all of you go and use the calculator and add these two value. How much these two values are comes? You check it. Later on you check it. Okay. So now you are going to be add AX and BX. AX is 1191, BX is 2272. So once again you have to press the F7, it will going to be add, and that result is stored in the AX register. Now you have to check it. Please carefully observe. I will press F7. Okay, F7. So what is F7? After F7, B is the same value, but A is changed. Why A is changed? The result of AX plus BX is stored in the A register. So this is the addition of these two numbers, 1191 plus 2272. These two are addition into the 3403. That is the addition value and stored it into the AX. So again you are to going to press it F7. Okay, so later on our program is ends here. So in this my program, I am not touch with the C register and I am not touch with the D register, base pointer and stack pointer. Only I have to operate it with the AX and BX, so that AX and BX is going to be stored. So this is the value result of 1191922272. That is 3403. You go and add those two numbers. This is the result of this program. Very simple. Okay, in this way you are going to be executed. So dear all student, all of you understood whatever I explained in this program. So you will do one thing. This one program, this code I will I will given in the WhatsApp group, I will dump it. Please you use that code and install the Tasm software. Run this by using 4 command. Whatever I said already, that 4 commands. Using 4 commands, you go and practice it in your home. So please don't worry. Today is the first session for the labs. First program you are going to be executed. You may understood, you may not understood. No problem. You go and practice in your home. So where you are getting difficulties, again you come and ask me. I will explain you in the next session also. Okay. So please all of you go and practice it. Today's program. So this is the result of today's program. So after completion of this lecture, I will add this program into the WhatsApp group. Please all of you collect that program code and you go and execute in the Tasm software. So this is the first program today what I given you demo. After this, as per lab programs, we are one by one we will study. Just it is a formality how we are going to be execute the microprocessor program on the Tasm software. Okay. So dear all student, I am going to stop. my lecture, you go and practice it in the home. So today, one execution, how to execute the program, I given you a demo. Even tomorrow also I'll give you demo one more time. If you are not perfect with the today, no problem. And from the unit number third, I will cover 24 inspections, small 24 inspections today. So those 24 inspections and this one, just a simple program of microprocessor, you go and practice in the home. So whatever doubts and difficulties are uh, this is the way today's I'm going to stop it here. Please, any questions, please you discuss within 10 minutes. After 2 o'clock, please you discuss. Any questions are there? So very simple. This Transam software is very simple and user friendly. Just to go and practice up to 1 or 2 programs, you practice it. Automatically, you become a fit with this lab session. No problem. Okay. So I will take attendance. Please, all of you respond just for 5 minutes. All of you just you have to log in. Don't go to log out. Even if you have any doubt, also you have to ask. No problem. So can I stop it? Okay, fine. So go and practice it. Until and unless you didn't practice, you will not get a difficulties and doubts. Okay, go and practice. Get more number of questions, more number of difficulties, and come and stay with me in the next lecture. Okay, just wait for 2 minutes. I will take attendance. Yes, all of your attendance. Mention the attendance here. Okay, dear all students, I'll stop it here for today's lecture. Next again, thank you one and all. We will see in the next lecture. So again, if any difficulties, please contact me. Okay. Thank you one and all.